Fixing keyboard not working on Windows 11 is very simple. First and foremost, we have to go ahead and enable the on-screen keyboard. For that, all you have to do is click on the Windows button right here. Now click on Settings and then go ahead and go to Accessibility. Scroll down until you find Keyboard and you should see on-screen keyboard right here. Make sure to enable it just like this. Now next, all you have to do is click into search and type in with your on-screen keyboard CMD, then right click on it and then click on Run as Administrator and yes. And now you have to type in SFC /scan now and then press enter. Once it's done, you can go ahead and exit out of it. And one last thing we have to do is go to Device Manager, just like this, then open it up. And now you will find keyboards right here. Open it up and go through each one of these and then click on uninstall device. Once you did for all three of them, all you have to do is click on action right here and then click on scan for hardware changes. And once they loaded back up in, you can go ahead and restart your computer. Happy fixing keyboard not working and have fun.